Hey, what's up, Zilliqa holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Zilliqa. So, what's the current price of Zilliqa? What's the price change is occurring in the Zilliqa? In this video, I will show you, my friends. And you know what, my friends? The people ask me questions about Zilliqa price. That when will the price increase? So, is the price? There is a chance to the price increase in the June or not, my friends. In this video, I will show you, my friends. Keep watch this video till the end, and if you are new to my channel, click the subscribe button. Also like this video, my friends. At this time, the latest price of Zilliqa in the market is 0.098035 USD dollar. Is the latest price of the Zilliqa. On the other side, if we talk about the price changes of the Zilliqa, so the price changes make issues, my friends. The process is completely fast down, but now the current situation in the last hour, in the last 60 minutes, the Zilliqa start jumping. But the previous change is negative. That is why the people ask me questions about Zilliqa, that when will the price increase. Let me show you, my friends, the price chart. Yeah, my friends, that is the last 3 days price chart, last 1 month price chart of the Zilliqa, and from this chart that's clear for everyone that the price of the Zilliqa is completely falls down. And if the price is fast down, so this means that you are in the lowest, my friends. And you know what, my friends, in the last 1 month the price falls down from 0.2047 USD dollar to 0.096 USD dollar. Absolutely, that's a very big loss of Zilliqa holders. And what do you think about that move? Tell me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Make sure. Now this time, my friends, my prediction is that my friends, personally, my prediction that Zilliqa price will increase in this month. That is my prediction, and they will take a huge pump in this month. What do you think about that? Tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel.